Hey foodies, welcome back to Fit Formulas. Today, we're unveiling a delectable countdown of the top 20 vegetarian muscle-building foods. Simple yet seriously tasty. Let's dive in. Kicking off at number 20, we have everyone's favorite, chickpeas. Bursting with protein and complex carbs, they're perfect in salads, wraps, or as a crunchy snack. Just 100 grams of chickpeas contains a whopping 9 grams of protein. They also pack in fiber and essential minerals like iron and magnesium, keeping our muscles functioning smoothly. Moving on to number 19, lentils. They are a good source of protein. A half-cup serving of cooked lentils provides about 12 grams of protein. With such high protein content, you are sure to be fueled up all day long. Versatile, affordable, and superb in soups, stews, or as the base for a mouth-watering veggie burger. Number 18, quinoa, an ancient grain and complete protein. Quinoa is also a good source of carbohydrates, important for replenishing the body's glycogen or energy stores, and preventing a slump later in the day. Ideal for post-workout meals, it pairs seamlessly with your favorite veggies for a nutritious bowl. 17 introduces the protein-packed superstar, Greek yogurt. Rich in protein and gut-friendly probiotics, savor it as a snack, blend it into smoothies, or use it as a base for a protein-packed parfait. The fluid properties of Greek yogurt cause your body to digest it faster, supporting muscle growth. It's also a good source of calcium, needed for muscle contraction and signaling, and vitamin D, which supports those functions. At number 16, tofu, a versatile soy-based protein. Tofu contains all 9 essential amino acids, making it a complete plant protein source. Whether in stir-fries, salads, or as a meat substitute, it's a fantastic source of amino acids for muscle repair. Researchers have found that tofu can reduce exercise-induced inflammation, oxidative stress, and resulting muscle soreness, making it the perfect pre- or post-workout snack. Number 15 shines the spotlight on nuts and seeds. Almonds, chia seeds, and pumpkin seeds are on the go, convenient, and nutritious snacks loaded with protein, healthy fats, and micronutrients. They contain an array of nutrients aiding in muscle recovery and repair, facilitating optimal post-workout recuperation. Number 14 brings us edamame, young soybeans that are not only tasty but also rich in protein, fiber, and essential amino acids. Steam them, toss them in salads, or snack on them, the choice is yours. These immature beans are also packed with manganese, vitamin K, and folate, playing a vital role in processing amino acids in the body and contributing significantly to muscle growth and strength gain, especially if you are above 30. At number 13, beans, whether black beans, kidney beans, or pinto beans, they are fantastic sources of fiber, vitamins, minerals, plant-based protein, an excellent and economical source of leucine, one of the 3 amino acids used by muscles to provide energy during exercise and thought to improve muscle growth. Perfect for burritos, salads, or hearty soups. Number 12 brings us nutritional yeast, a savory, cheesy flavored ingredient that is not just delicious but also a powerhouse of protein, B-complex vitamins, and minerals. A beneficial tool for athletes or people looking to increase their muscle mass, it can be used before or after working out and added to popcorn, pasta, yogurt, milk, or fruit, or used in sauces for a flavorful and nutritious boost. Number 11, sweet potatoes. Not only delicious but also a great source of complex carbs, fiber, and vitamins. Building muscle mass requires proper exercise and a diet rich in fiber and carbohydrates. The sweet potato is perfectly suited for this type of objective in bodybuilding. Moreover, it is also of great help during the period of dryness. Bad fats are eliminated while the muscles gain in quality and performance. Whether roasted, mashed, or baked, they're the sweet addition your muscles will love. And now, at number 10, we have peanut butter. This easy-to-use and easy-to-eat food can be used in a variety of recipes, from smoothies to on-the-go snacks. Peanut butter is rich in protein, minerals, and vitamins, but it can also be high in calories, sodium, and unsaturated fat. Low sugar and homemade peanut butter may be good options, as many brands contain added sugar and oil. Number 9. Oatmeal is an excellent choice for bodybuilders and fitness enthusiasts looking to build muscle and fuel their workouts. Packed with complex carbohydrates, protein, essential vitamins, and minerals, oatmeal provides sustained energy while promoting muscle growth and repair. One key advantage of rolled oats is that they have a lower glycemic index than many other grains or cereals. Number 8. Brown rice is not your average side dish. It's a protein and complex carbohydrate powerhouse that earns its place as a staple in any muscle-building diet. Unlike white rice, brown rice retains its outer bran layer and germ, making it a nutrient-packed option. Number 7. Avocado. This fruit is creamy, dreamy, and super filling, thanks to its blend of monounsaturated fatty acids and a bit of protein. It's rich in folic acid, which plays an important role in absorbing protein. What better way to stimulate muscle growth? And that's not all. Folic acid helps regulate certain hormones, including the growth hormone, which also promotes muscle development. Number 6. Broccoli and cauliflower. Both contain calcium, which helps build and maintain healthy bones. Additionally, it aids in muscular contraction and blood coagulation. These vegetables are known to boost DNA repair in cells and also keep them from becoming cancerous. Moreover, the veggie has folate that helps in the production and maintenance of new cells. Breaking into the top 5. At number 5, we have green peas. Don't let their size fool you. Green peas contain more protein than most other vegetables, which is why they are the primary protein source in many vegan protein powders. You'll get about 9 grams of protein per cup of green peas, along with a plateful of healthy fiber. They're a versatile addition to salads, pasta dishes, or enjoyed on their own. Number 4. Protein powder supplement. One can also consider protein powders to build lean muscles. They are versatile to consume, convenient, and usually provide 25 grams of high-quality protein in a single scoop. You can choose whey, casein, or plant-based protein powders based on the health goal. They are a good source of BCAAs and other amino acids to build muscle. At number 3, stealing the show is paneer. Paneer, also known as cottage cheese, is high in casein protein, making it an ideal vegetarian source for bodybuilders. Casein protein breaks down slowly and provides a sustainable supply of amino acids for 7 to 8 hours. 100 grams of paneer gives you around 16 to 18 grams of protein, 22 grams of essential fat, healthy bacteria, and almost no carbs. This may play a central role in regulating and lowering high blood pressure. Paneer is widely used in curries, rice dishes, snacks, appetizers, and even in many desserts. Now, at number 2, let's talk about mung beans, loaded with protein, fiber, and antioxidants. Sprouting increases the availability of proteins. 100 grams of unsprouted mung contains 24.9 grams of protein. But on sprouting, it increases to 32 grams. Sprout them for extra nutritional benefits or cook them into stews and curries for a satisfying protein-packed meal. Finally, taking the number 1 spot on our list is spinach, not just a health hero but also contributing to muscle function and recovery. Spinach is rich in iron, vitamin C and E, potassium, and magnesium. As part of a nutritious diet, it can help support immune function, aid the digestive system, and may even have anti-cancer properties. There you have it, our top 20 vegetarian muscle-building foods, as simple as they are tasty. Give them a try, mix them up, and enjoy the journey to a stronger, healthier you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Signing off, stay fit and stay fueled.